So, for you Monaro lovers, Gray's Classic Cars Online, there's this HQ Monaro, which started life as a LS 308 tri-matic T-bar auto, which it's still got a 308 engine. It has power steering, no aircon. It's got a LS front grille, but it's front panel with dual lights, but it's got a GTS badge. It's not a GTS, it's actually a factory LS. It was originally aquamarine in colour, but this looks to me like Barbados green, although I'm not 100% sure of that.
It's your basic green.
Ah, green. That's nice, green. Green is nice.
But it's a very 70s colour and very 70s look. It's also got Butte set of Krager period style wheels, red line tyres. Come and have a look at the inside. It's got Butte inside, houndstooth matched to the paint. So green houndstooth, which is what they had in the day. GTS wheel, instruments, nice GTS style console. We don't really know whether it came like this, because back in those days you could order whatever you wanted with whatever you wanted. So, but it's a genuine thing and it looks great. It's beautiful, straight in the body, beautiful paint. Well worth a look. Monaros and HQs in particular are well on the climb. And if you're a Holden fan, this is worth a look.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.